Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to use bold text on Slack. But first, what you want to do is go to any channel right here or direct messages and just type in anything. So let's say hi everyone. So what you want to do now is click on the A button right here. So this means it's the show formatting button. So just click on that and this will pop up on the top side of your message. And to make it a bold text, you just need to highlight the message here on the line, highlight it by left click, then hover to it, then just click on bold right here, the letter B, and just like that, it makes it a bold text. So you could also make it italic or a strike through message right here, or something like that. And as guys, if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.